And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Alan Shoemaker.
6:41 on this Friday morning. If you've been outside, you notice it's a little more humid out there. The humidity is still on the climb here the next couple of days. Temperature's not super muggy yet. I mean, it is cooling a little bit. We're still at 73 in McAllen, but down in the upper 60s everywhere else now. 69 in Brownsville, 67 in Edinburg, and 68 in Rio Grande City. In your day planner, as the sun starts to come up, temperatures starting to go up again, near 70 at 8 a.m., 84 at lunchtime at noon, and near 89 at 5 p.m. But afternoon temperatures may range from the low 80s or so at the coast to the lower 90s in Starr County. It's just looking a little hotter and more humid with mainly partly sunny skies most of the afternoon. You might see some puffy clouds here and there, but probably not going to get any rain. It might be one little brief shower or sprinkle in there somewhere, just if the clouds happen to thicken up enough, but I think mainly dry weather around. Friday football plans now should be dry. If you're headed out to any games this evening, the conditions running mainly on the dry side with partly cloudy skies around. Temperatures at kickoff around 83 degrees by the end of the game in the mid 70s. But the humidity continues to increase, so it should be fairly humid during the game and just light winds during game time from the east and southeast, maybe about 5 to 10 miles per hour or so. The future track does show dry weather across the valley today with partly sunny skies. Doesn't show really any rain, but you can kind of see like maybe the sea breeze here, these little patch of clouds forecast moving westward. You know, it might spark a sprinkle, but that's about it. And then dry weather most of tonight. As clouds thicken late tonight, there might be a couple sprinkles near the coast late tonight and tomorrow morning, but not looking for really any significant rainfall for Saturday. For Saturday night, still some clouds, humidity, maybe a sprinkle near the coast. Sunday is the day when things start to change. We have a cold front arriving later in the afternoon, not going to spark widespread rain, I don't think, but right along the front, there could be a buildup of a couple showers or a storm briefly moving across the area, but it should be gone pretty fast. So kind of the highlight for those rain chances sometime in the afternoon or through about sunset, and then cooler, less humid weather arrives behind the front for Sunday night and Monday and even beyond. So rain chances are looking mainly dry today and Saturday, meaning very little, if any, rain in most areas. But by Sunday, 30%, and even that might be aiming high because again, the bigger chance of rain is going to be farther to the north. Now, if you are headed toward the coast today, again, an early start in your weekend, mainly dry there and in the 80s, 85 for a high tomorrow, and mainly partly sunny skies. Travel weather this weekend, hot in Laredo on Saturday in the 90s, but a shower or storm possible on Sunday ahead of that front. Same thing in Corpus Christi, very warm and muggy Saturday, but a shower storm later on Sunday. And San Antonio hottest on Saturday and then cooling behind the front on Sunday with maybe a shower or storm and maybe a few showers or storms in Houston both days this weekend. Near 90 today, partly sunny skies and getting more humid, so it will feel hotter, probably hotter than it's felt every other day since last weekend. And the hot weather for the weekend continues Saturday and Sunday with highs mostly in the low 90s, staying in the 80s near the coast with low temperatures in the 70s. The best chance of a shower or storm on Saturday with temperatures running still fairly hot on Saturday and going into Sunday. So we do have hot weather until Sunday, and then the cold front comes through Sunday evening, and then look at temperatures. They cool off again, highs in the 80s Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with lots of sunshine. Lows could dip into the 50s and 60s. So we do have a nice reward after the weekend. We get to cool off once again. We'll be tracking these changes in your First Warn 5 forecast. Gabby?